Understanding the basics, Infocomm engineering is a fascinating field that blends information technology with communication systems. Imagine it as the backbone that makes modern communication possible. From sending a simple text message to complex data transfers across the globe, Infocomm engineering is at the heart of it all. At its core, this field focuses on how we can efficiently process, transmit, and store information. It's like building a highway system, but instead of cars, it's data that travels. The discipline combines knowledge from both electronics and computer science to create systems that keep our world connected. Engineers in this field need to think about how to make these systems faster, safer, and more reliable. Key components and technologies. Infocomm engineering involves several key components and technology sectors. Let's break a few of them down. Telecommunications. This includes everything related to transmitting information over distances. It covers technologies like fiber optics, satellites, and mobile networks. Engineers in this area work to ensure that phone calls are clear and data packets travel fast. Networking. Think of networking as the roadways for data. Setting up and maintaining networks involves routers, switches, and protocols that determine how information travels across the internet. Data storage and processing. With the amount of data being generated every second, efficient storage and rapid processing are crucial. Technologies like cloud computing and data centers play a massive role. Signal processing. This involves analyzing and manipulating signals. For example, when you send a voice message, signal processing helps in compressing and transmitting that sound efficiently. Cybersecurity. Protecting data as it travels is a big part of this field. Cybersecurity involves creating systems to secure data from unauthorized access and attacks. Infocomm engineering also keeps evolving with innovations like 5G and the Internet of Things, IoT, paving the way for even more exciting advancements. This makes it a dynamic field with countless opportunities for exploration and growth. The evolution of Infocomm engineering, from telecommunications to modern day. Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Let's take a journey back in time to see how Infocomm engineering evolved. It all started with telecommunications. Picture those early telegraph machines and old-school telephones. They were the hot tech of their day, enabling people to send messages across long distances for the first time. Fast forward a few decades, and things really started to heat up. We moved from basic wired voice communication to wireless signals bouncing through the air. The introduction of the internet was a game changer, connecting the globe like never before. Suddenly, everyone could share information with just a click. Even your grandparents got on board, shifting from landlines to cell phones. This transformation was incredible and set the stage for what we know today as Infocomm engineering. As we embraced computers and digital technology, the field expanded. Infocomm now covers everything from network infrastructure to the smart devices in our pockets. Pretty cool, right? Major milestones in development now. Let's chat about some of the big moments that shaped this field. One major milestone was the invention of the transistor in the 1940s. This tiny device paved the way for modern electronics. Without it, we'd still be stuck with bulky machines. Another leap was the development of the internet in the late 20th century. Imagine connecting millions of computers worldwide. Mind-blowing. This global network allowed for groundbreaking communication and commerce innovations, becoming part of our daily lives. Then came mobile technology, shifting us away from those clunky desktops. With mobile phones, the internet was in our hands, literally. And let's not forget fiber optics. These super-fast cables revolutionized data transmission, making high-speed internet possible. Finally, we have cloud computing and the Internet of Things, IoT. These advancements mean our devices can talk to each other over the internet, storing data and processing it in ways we couldn't have imagined before. And there you have it. A whirlwind tour through the thrilling world of Infocomm engineering. Keep exploring, as the story is far from over. Core concepts in Infocomm engineering, information theory and systems. Let's start by diving into information theory and systems. It's like the backbone of how we understand and manage data. Basically, information theory is all about efficiently transmitting data from one place to another while minimizing errors. Imagine you're trying to send a note to a friend across a crowded room. Information theory helps us figure out the best way to ensure your friend gets the message clearly, even if there's a lot of noise. At its core, this concept deals with encoding, transmitting, and decoding data. It optimizes data flow and ensures that despite interference, the message is accurate. Shannon's theory, for example, guides us on how to compress data without losing important details. Think of it as squeezing a big file into a tiny package for email. Super useful. Communication protocols. Next up, let's chat about communication protocols. These are like the rules of the road for data traveling through networks. Without these protocols, it would be like trying to drive with no traffic lights or signs, chaotic and confusing. Protocols ensure that data packets know exactly how to reach their destination and what to do when they get there. Protocols such as TCP/IP, HTTP, and FTP are key players. TCP/IP, for instance, is the fundamental protocol that allows the internet to work, breaking data into packets that can travel independently, ensuring everything arrives correctly. It ensures that no matter where the data is headed, the process is smooth and orderly. Networking fundamentals. Lastly, let's explore networking fundamentals. This area covers the basics of how devices connect and communicate. Networks are like the digital highways that allow computers, phones, and other smart devices to share and exchange information efficiently. The fundamentals include understanding different types of networks like LAN, local area network, and WAN, wide area network, and how they connect through various media such as fiber optics or wireless signals. It's all about making sure the right connections are in place, so devices can talk to each other seamlessly. In essence, grasping these core concepts sets the stage for delving deeper into Infocomm engineering, providing a solid foundation for more advanced topics. Key skills for aspiring Infocomm engineers. Technical skills you need. Hey, future Infocomm engineer. Let's dive into the technical side of what you'll need to excel in this field. First off, you'll want a solid grounding in programming languages like Python, Java, or C++. These are the building blocks for creating complex systems and understanding how software works. Getting comfy with network protocols like TCP/IP will also be crucial, as these are the languages that computers use to talk to each other over the internet. Knowledge of databases is another piece of the puzzle. Whether it's SQL or NoSQL databases, you'll need to know how to store and retrieve data efficiently. Working with different operating systems, such as Windows, Linux, and mobile OS platforms like Android and iOS, is also a must. Each one has its own quirks and features, so familiarity will help you navigate any environment you might face. Don't forget about cybersecurity either. In protecting data and keeping communications secure, you need to stay sharp and updated with the latest security practices and threat countermeasures. Lastly, understanding cloud services like AWS or Google Cloud will help you manage resources and scale projects efficiently. The cloud isn't just a buzzword, it's a tool you'll use frequently. Soft skills that matter. Now, let's chat about some soft skills that are just as vital as the technical ones. Communication tops the list. Whether you're collaborating with a team or explaining tech ideas to non-tech folks, being able to communicate clearly will help everyone stay on the same page. Problem-solving abilities are your next best friend. Infocomm engineering often involves troubleshooting unexpected issues. Creative thinking will help you find solutions where others see dead ends. And speaking of teams, teamwork skills can't be overstated. You'll often work in groups, tackling projects that one person alone couldn't handle. Lastly, keep your curiosity burning. The tech world evolves rapidly, and staying curious keeps you learning and adapting to new tools and trends. With these skills, you're setting yourself up not just for a job, but for an exciting career in Infocomm engineering. Infocomm engineering in everyday life, how it shapes our daily routines. Hey there! Ever thought about how much you rely on technology every day? Infocomm engineering is a huge part of that. From the second you wake up to the moment you go to bed, it plays a clever role in shaping your day. Let's take a simple morning routine, for instance. Your smartphone alarm rings, thanks to Infocomm tech. You check the weather on an app and decide if a sweater is needed. While having breakfast, you might stream your favorite podcast. All these things are possible because of advancements in communication technologies. Isn't that fascinating? Even commuting involves Infocomm engineering. Traffic management systems use real-time data to help you avoid congested roads. Apps track public transport schedules, letting you know when the next bus or train arrives, so you're never late for class. These examples show how Infocomm engineering improves convenience and saves you time daily. Applications at home and work. Now, let's chat about how Infocomm works its magic at home and your study or workplaces. At home, smart devices are pretty common. Think of smart home assistants like Alexa or Google Home. They allow you to control lighting, music, and even security systems through voice commands. Infocomm engineering makes all these nifty gadgets connect seamlessly to make life easier and more enjoyable. At work or school, Infocomm's impact is massive too. Gone are the days when you'd need to meet someone in person to collaborate. Video conferencing platforms like Zoom, for example, have transformed the way meetings and classes happen. Sharing files, working together on documents in real time, and staying connected with classmates and coworkers are all made possible due to this technology. Whether it's streaming videos or coordinating a group project, Infocomm engineering bridges distances and brings the world closer. It's mind-blowing to think how this field continues to evolve, crafting innovative ways to enrich our lives. Thanks for tuning in. Keep an eye out. Who knows what cool tech will pop up next from Infocomm?